this meditation is called the Indra Nittri meditation. It's also known as the magic mantra or the Siddhi mantra, Siddhi meaning great. So what this does is it takes your thoughts, often negative thoughts, and then it reverses it to become positive. The mantra that we're using is Ek Ong Kar Sat Gurprasad, Sat Gurprasad Ek Ong Kar. And so when you're having that thought, Ek Ong Kar Sat Gurprasad, it comes in, and then it reverses it through reversing that mantra Sat Gurprasad Ek Ong Kar. And it helps to cultivate great insight. Indra was also a god who is the god of the Devas, which is pretty much of the outer world. So Prakriti, I don't know if that word means anything to you. It means nature, but it's also manifested. So it's of the outer world. What we're doing by chanting this is we're experiencing the infinite through this world. We are spiritual beings having a human experience, right? So through the body, through this temple, the sacred temple that is your body, you're experiencing the infinite, and you're really getting in touch with that through the senses. Indra means senses also. And in chanting so, it's going to bring great intuition and a lot of creativity. So when we're chanting this, you want to make sure that you know what it is you want, and be careful the words you use, because it's going to start manifesting for you in a very powerful way. It puts you in such a state of manifestation, this meditation, that let's prepare for this before we start. And think about what it is that we really want, because it's going to give you so much intuition and creativity. And we're doing this for 40 days, right? So it's very exciting. This energy code, Ek Ong Kar Sat Gurprasad, Sat Gurprasad Ek Ong Kar. It will steer your life in such a direction that if you're ready for this this power of manifestation, this is a really powerful meditation for that. Okay, and we're talking about if you're looking at creating goals that match your life purpose, which basically means that you're tapping into your soul's desires to do that, because you're looking for a meaningful life while you're on this earth and experiencing everything again through this human body, through this sacred temple. All right, and in doing so, it's not just about constantly going in and just living an internal life. You're bringing that out into the world and meeting the world and connecting this way. As humans, we have that hunger to connect and be connected and to create and to play and manifest. Okay, so excellent meditation for this Indra Nittri meditation, or the magic meditation. Okay, so again, the mantra is Ek Ong Kar Sat Gurprasad, Sat Gurprasad Ek Ong Kar. The hands are going to grasp the knees firmly like this. Okay, you're going to keep the chest and the spine lightly lifted, and your eyes are closed to just 1/10 open. And here's what's going to happen here. On the Ek, you're going to bring the navel center in. You're going to pull in the navel point, Ek, and then release on the Kar. So it's Ek Ong Kar. Okay, Ek Ong Kar. On the Sat, you'll do a diaphragm lock, which means you're going to bring the diaphragm in and up. Sat, Gur, and then release on the Prasad, Prasad. Diaphragm lock again. Sat, Gur, Prasad, navel point, Ek Ong Kar. Got that? So Ek Ong Kar, Sat, Gur, Prasad, Sat, Gur, Prasad, Ek Ong Kar. So we're working the core, the whole navel area, digestive area. It creates some heat. And again, we're talking about manifestation and creativity. So this is the area that we're really activating here with that mantra. Okay. Now we're doing this for 11 minutes. Be careful how in doing this, sometimes we try to do this so well and so perfectly, and maybe even too firmly. If you're snapping it, Ek Ong Kar Sat Gurprasad, and just doing it too firmly, it's possible that you may not be ready for that, and it may upset things here. So just start gently. So see if you can imagine what it would feel like to do a gentle firmness. Okay, Ek Ong Kar Sat Gurprasad, Sat Gurprasad, Ek Ong Kar. Okay, and practice that. And as we do this, if you're joining us for the sadhana huddle, and as we do this, if it's too much for you, then just kind of take a break doing that and just go with the meditation and just chant the meditation, and then come back to it if or when you're ready. Okay, again, this is a 40-day practice. Ek Ong Kar Sat Gurprasad, Sat Gurprasad, Ek Ong Kar. Eyes are just 1/10 open. Hands are firmly grasping the knees, and your spine and chest is lightly lifted. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask in the comments below as we get started with this meditation, and even anytime during the 40 days.